I've used this twice now in the last few days. It's lovely. You do get 2 of these. I've put the other one away, and it just slots in there. Yes, there is the lid. It comes with 2 of these and 2 lids, and it's amazing. It's beautiful. So easy because it's a Cuisinart, and there are no knobs. As you put the lid on, you just do this and it grinds. It's really good. I love it. I really love it. And as I said, you get 2. I've put the other one away somewhere. But yeah, you get 2 of these and 2 lids also. You can also store things. I grate ground coffee, and I just put the lid on and left it out. It's really good. I love it. Yes.